Welcome back, guys. Today is the day I'll be changing my turbo to a big single turbo. Obviously the 1J coming with a little small turbo that don't last a long time if you're pushing over 1.2 bar of boost. But obviously all the JZs that I had, like I said to you before with my previous video, all the JZs I had before had a big single turbo, but this time it was my first time having a stock turbo with my 1JZ. Obviously that's gonna end today. I'm gonna put my big single turbo on it. I'm just gonna basically pick up Jaden right now, and then he's gonna help me out, and you guys gonna see the video. Hope you guys like it. Stay tuned for this video. Peace. Jaden is coming. Look all miserable. You don't want to do no work. Jaden, you active, yeah? Well, what are we doing today?
Taking the manifold off, putting the new manifold on, taking the old turbo off, putting the new turbo on. That's it.
We're not ready for this, are they? The car's gonna get, the car's gonna get inspired.
Feeling different.
100%.
Inshallah.
Let's go. What is it?
Very hot up.
It's a mess. Why is it all dirty?
What you gonna do from under the car, innit?
No.
What?
I think it comes off from the top. Make this loose. It's too much to take out. It's just I can smell the car from my living room. Lovely job, isn't it? Jaden, you're walking up early, man. I was like this.
It's calm, you know everything where everything goes. Jay-Z guy.
It should be easy. Like
Nah, it will be easy. Carb one.
This coming off, that's coming off, and then this coming off, and then we can see the hot turbo, and then we both see later. The saucy turbo is gonna be in there, lovely. So stay tuned. Good to be back to working on my car. It's filthy. I missed the smell of the Japanese crap. So now this came off. I'm just basically taking off the last bits and bobs. But all I got left now is the heat shield, the manifold. So obviously I'm gonna take it out with the manifold instead of just taking it out individually, and then the downpipe, and then I should put on my new turbo. So you guys can see the big difference of having a stock 1JZ. It looks fucking ugly. I don't know why they have all this unnecessary shit. And then to having one nice big single turbo that's very saucy. So stay tuned for this video. We'll carry on doing this. Jesus. Now, check it out. Got to a point where you basically having one hell of a moment with the car. even Jaden got involved. Look, Jaden doesn't usually work on cars, but today Jaden isn't even involved. But there's a bracket. I don't know if you, basically with 1JZs, the turbo has a bracket underneath that holds it up so it doesn't sag down. Like
if I do undo this bracket, the turbo's gonna fall on my head.
Nah, I doubt it. If it does, RIP. So basically, it has a bracket underneath the turbo so it holds it up so it doesn't sag down. Like I used to have that common issue with SR20s. They used to just hang down and you end up having a loose downpipe and your turbo's becoming loose. Bolt that I couldn't get into. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a bolt actually there, but you can't see it. There's a bolt underneath here, and I wasn't able to get into it because the turbo was so close to the manifold here, and that's why I had to drop the turbo down because I wanted to take it out in all one piece because I don't want to just take it individually. That's just long. Yeah, give me verdict. What's the verdict? Look at the mess. Oh, poor him.
I came here
He came in here in a nice tracksuit with the J's.
Can't buy another.
Oi, flexing on people. He ain't broke, he's flossing, you know what I mean? He's working. Stop, man. This is the second day. Obviously we stopped halfway taking the turbo out, and obviously I don't want to do it too late because obviously I don't want my neighbors to start complaining. Here with Jaden, obviously man's got fresh trim. And we're gonna basically crack on with this, and hopefully today I'm gonna put the turbo on and you guys can see it for yourself. The difference between the old turbo and the new turbo. Stay tuned. Underneath the water pump hose.
Underneath here. Underneath here.
Look, I'll show you. Wait. It's been how long?
I don't even know.
It's been. I'll say 3 hours altogether from yesterday and today. Finally, turbo out. He literally made a mess on my parking spot for my flat. Look at this manifold. I thought, when I saw it first, I thought it was 4 cylinders. I was like, what the fuck? No way, it's not 4 cylinder. But obviously, it's got 2 port there. Imagine how restricted this was.
Literally.
From factory, this is literally like, when I put a big manifold on it, you'll see a comparison. It's like literally. As you can see, this is the old manifold. Yeah, we don't need that. Let's go into the bin. And this is the new one.
Money coming, money go. I've been
No restriction.
I've been at it on and
Piping is wider than this.
I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking business, let me see you. Pull up on you, let me school. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn a dang fluid in the coupe. When you look, I know it's real. I'm on my motion shit. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here. Don't act like you know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that mean great. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Say's toasted and be raised so in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing. I be locked in, I was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Niggas plotting on me, I be cautious. Back then I was an adolescent, then I had a lesson. I'm the man now, I got fans now, I'm on cam now. I got plans now, I'm finna branch out. Grew up quick, but never let go this year. All of that bullshit is in my rip. Hey, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wouldn't trade us. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch, I made it. Used to play to play.
Look at my. That's again.
Yeah. You see on a little blade, there's a little.
Look at my external wastegate. It's matching with my blade. This car's about to get spicy. She's about to get baked.
Fucking oh my days. Jesus Christ.
I'm getting macked. I know my boost ain't coming on late.
What Shit. But yeah, it does look fucking sick. It does look sick. See if it's gonna be like. Wait. It's gonna be like.
Yeah, it's gonna be serious. Serious.
You happy with it?
Huh?
You happy with it?
Yeah, we can find the brake horsepower right now. All done. Boys, let's go off a rip. Let's go off a little rip. But yeah, all done. It's been one hell of a
Journey. Oh.
couple of days. Or a couple of days, I'd say what? 3 hours max?
Yeah.
Take it off, put a new one on. Turbo's done. It's pretty much sitting nice. It's sitting there very nice. Turbo's done. Turbo's sitting there really nicely. Now my plan is to basically get the exhaust fitted, the screen pipe fitted, oil feed, water feed, drain. So that's gonna be Josh's problem because obviously he basically does that kind of stuff all day, every day. So he can sort that out. And then my fabrication, I'm taking it somewhere else to get it all done. And then after that, we're gonna hear it start up. But now the car went from running to off-road. So the car's not going to drag ball right now. I haven't started the engine out, but good things are coming. So after that, so we can get a map, put the big injectors, find the brake. It's gonna be serious. So stay tuned for this video. Peace out and see you next time.